Well, hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video. Maybe you're wondering, do I need new tires on my vehicle? Is my tread worn out? And today I want to show you how you can test that without taking it in or without even a tool. All you're going to need is just a brand new penny or just a shiny penny. If you can find one of those, you're going to take it, turn it upside down like this, and stick it in the tread of your tires. Check at a few different places. And what you're looking for is where the tread comes up on Lincoln's head. So right there you saw that was good. The tread kind of came up to above his face, and those are good. The main thing you're looking for is to make sure you don't see his head or his face when you're testing the tread. I want to show you another tire where I do, and then it is time to replace it. So here is another tire that I wanted to show you, and as I was showing you earlier, when you try to stick this penny into the tread, there is only a little bit of tread left. It doesn't even make it up to his head. All of the tread is gone, and so again you can tell that when it's above his head line or above his line right there, then it is time to replace your tire. So I need to replace this, and we actually have an appointment to go ahead and get these replaced. Another thing you can look at when you're looking at your tires that might be possibly messed up, you can look for cracks. There are some little cracks in here and even kind of cracks right in here, so you can check your tires and make sure there's no cracks in there as well. If there are, then you probably need to go ahead and get those replaced as well. Also, while you're checking out your tires, just go ahead and check and make sure that the entire tire is worn evenly. If maybe this side is worn out or this side is worn out and the tread is just fine in the middle, then you want to let them know that. That means your alignment might be off, or it could be something else, and you want to make sure that is fixed before you put the new tires on there, because that'll just wear your new tires out as well, and it'll save you money in the long run if you go ahead and get your alignment fixed as well. Another thing I did want to let you guys know, when you do go get your tires, I've heard people ask, which ones do you recommend getting? What I normally do is try my best to look at the tires that the company has that I'm going to, and then I try to read the reviews. A lot of times I don't go with the bottom end. I usually kind of stick around the mid-range, because I found the bottom ends wear out pretty quick, and the mid-range work pretty well. I don't need the high end or the highest, most expensive ones for what I do driving around in the city and on the roads. But what I love to do, again, is check out reviews, see which ones have worked best, see what other people have said, and that usually will help out and give you the best deal for your money. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you today to determine if your tire needs to be replaced or if you still have some tread and life on it. If this video was helpful, I'd love to know that. You can leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you do have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. Love to help you out with those as well. But I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.